Hello and welcome everyone again. Welcome back to our channel. And today also, as usual, we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your something went wrong problem on your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So first thing what you will do is you will just simply go to your Snapchat app, and there are two reasons. If you are getting something went wrong while you are logging in, while you are signing into your Snapchat app, then that could be that either you have entered your password or email wrong, and either you haven't resetted your forgotten password yet, or if you're getting your something went wrong while sending messages and snaps to your friends, then that could be because the app is lagging or the app is not up to date. So what you will do to fix that problem is you will simply go to your Play Store and then you will just type in your Snapchat. As you can see, my app is up to date. So if you see an option called update at the place of open, then you will simply update that, and then you will have no issue like something went wrong. But it's still saying something went wrong, then you will simply go to your option called settings, and then you will simply again tap on option called apps and just search the particular app. Once you get that, then you will simply go to this option called storage, tap on it. You will simply tap on this clear cache option, tap on it, and your cache is removed. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has helped you so far. Do make sure to try all of the steps, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.